How many times have you seen control cable faults causing production loss? As it is a very common problem of SPM's breakdowns. And we know available methods to solve these types of electrical breakdowns could be highly time-consuming. Because during such breakdowns, first, we need to identify the shorting of the control cable. Then if there is no spare cable available, either we have to find out some way to bypass the system to resume production, or we have to remove the faulty cable and lay down a new cable. These tasks certainly make electrical faults troubleshooting much more time-consuming and often lead to huge production losses, which is not a good thing for any manufacturing unit at all. So to troubleshoot these types of electrical breakdowns where the control cables got damaged due to friction, shorting or any other reason, we have developed a whole new RFSD series of wireless products which can be used as an alternative control cables to resume the production in significantly less time, because now you don't need to remove the faulty cable and lay new cable to resume the production line. You can simply use our RFSD wireless modules to connect your digital sensors to the PLC. To know more, contact us today and ask for trials. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with your team, for whom our products could be helpful. Once again, thank you for watching.